today I want to share with you this box that I received from Influencer. This is a cute little box that I received. I think it's called the Vox Box. So I will share with you the items that I received. These are it. The very first item we have is by Maybelline. This is the 501 Blackish Black Push Up Angel Mascara Selfies. You can always use lots and lots of mascara. Here we have L'Oreal. This is the Evercream. This is 6-in-1 cleansing balm for your dry, damaged, dry hair. And it's a full-size bottle. The next item we have here is, this is from Shea Moisture. This is Illuminating Foaming Milk and Body Wash, Coconut and Hibiscus. And this is, I think it smells really good, I bet. Anything that's got those two combinations, we can get in here. They don't make it easy. Okay, this is not easy. Let's get the little scissors out. Okay, here we go. So this is the bottle. And let's take off the little. Oh, it smells so good. I like this. It smells so good. And let's open up the other one and see what it smells like. I love anything that is beauty. So, oh wow, it smells very good. I can't wait to give this a try. Huh. We're gonna give this a try. Next item. This is Lancome Click and Glow. Can you see that? And I may not know what this is, but let's check it out. Oh, pretty cool. So this is it. And I think it has, is this security tape or no? Oh wow, look at that. And I guess you, oh, you push it. You push it up. Push it up, it's coming out. So, and it has a shimmer to it. Very nice. And that's basically all we wrote. But it says here, they give you a little card. It says, congratulations, hello Rockstar. There's really no other way to say this. You're the best. We're so excited for you to enjoy this amazing prize. You earned it. Thanks for making Influencer the best community of product lovers in the world. Enjoy your well-deserved prize, and don't forget to show it off on social using the hashtag InfluencerChamp. Remember, there are always new opportunities to earn more rewards with Influencer, so keep following and engaging with us on social, and don't forget to review and ask questions. Keep rocking the Influencer team. Cool beans. So that's the end of this one. I hope you enjoyed looking at these items. Go on Influencer, download the app, try to review any of the products maybe you have on hand. You never know, and the more you engage, the more that you ask questions, or some people will send you questions. You can answer them on the certain reviews and certain products. Get involved, and you may be the next person to receive a box of some free beauty products to give a try to, and you can also do the same thing. So I hope you enjoyed this. You are welcome to join my social media platform and be a part of this really cool family. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the link down below. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you become a rock star and get a box as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.